Hey everyone, welcome back to channel. In this video, I'll show you the official and 100% safe way to download and install Proteus 9.1 for Windows latest version. No fake sites, no risk, directly from the labcenter.com website. And if you want more safe software tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Open your browser and search Proteus download. Click on Proteus PCB design and circuit simulator software. Or go directly to labcenter.com website. I've also added the link in the description. Step 2. Once the website loaded, scroll down and find Get Started Now. Now here insert your email address and click on download. So after that, check your email address. Now confirm subscription and subscribe to LabCenter demo download. Now continue to website. After that, go to the website and again insert the previous email address that you already added. So after the again, check your email address. Step 3. Now start the download. The download size is around 826 megabytes and wait for that to be downloaded. Once the file is downloaded, open it and start the installation. That is easy and simple to install it. Proteus 9 has been installed, now run it. That is, enjoy the Proteus latest version.